Imagine waking up tomorrow and seeing $427 in your account, and all you did was click one button 3 days ago. No drop shipping, no crypto, no trading. This is real AI, money making in 2026, and most people don't even know it exists. Stay until the end because ILL reveal 5 AI secrets that can get you from $0 to $10,000 a month. And how you can start this week? AI is no longer science fiction. OpenAI made over $3.5 billion in 2024. Midjourney is generating $300 million per year just from AI art. And normal people, just like you, are making anywhere from $3,000 to $30,000 per month with AI projects that took less than 48 hours to set up. I went from making $800 a month as a freelancer to a 6-figure income in under a year, all by using AI. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how. The first secret, and this is a big one, is AI automation for local businesses. This is the AI goldmine of 2026. Think about all the local businesses in your area. Dentists, gyms, salons, restaurants, they are desperate for help but don't have the time or technical skills. You can step in and create simple AI agents to automatically book their appointments. You can automate their WhatsApp and email responses, saving them hours every single day. You can even offer content creation services like social media posts and graphics, all generated by AI. The best part, you can charge anywhere from $800 to $3,000 for the initial setup, plus a recurring $150 to $400 a month for maintenance. All you need are tools like GPT-4, Omake.com, or N8N to build these powerful automations. It's a massive, untapped market. Secret number 2 is selling AI products and prompts. This is one of the easiest ways to get started. People are literally selling simple text prompts and digital templates for $79 each. And some creators are making over $200,000 in just 4 months. You can sell these on platforms like Gumroad, Lemonskeezy, or Whop. The key is to focus on high-demand niches. Think business automation, content creation guides, or AI tools specifically for marketers. You create it once, and you can sell it forever. It's the ultimate passive income stream. Now for secret number 3, AI content creation for social media. This one is explosive. You can use Python scripts combined with AI voice tools like 11 Labs and automated editing in CapCut to create up to 9 short-form videos per day, and even upload them in multiple languages. This lets you dominate platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts. One of my channels reached 1.2 million followers in just 3 months using this exact strategy, and it now earns $28,000 a month from ad revenue alone. You don't have to be a video editor or a content genius. You just let the AI do the heavy lifting. All right, let's fire through the last 2 secrets. Secret number 4 is building and selling AI services or micro SaaS apps. For example, a site called Roastmyelinin uses AI to critique a user's website and give them feedback. It's a simple idea, but clones of this service are making $80,000 a month. You find a simple problem and build a simple AI tool to solve it. Secret number 5 is for those interested in finance. AI-powered investment bots. These bots can track sentiment on platforms like Reddit and Twitter to detect trends up to 48 hours before a major crypto pump. One user turned $8,000 into $114,000 in just 41 days by leveraging this type of AI analysis. If you implement even just 20% of what I've shared, 2026 could be your year to help you get started right away. I've put together a free gift for you. Download my AI Money Pack 2026 in the first comment, It includes 50 AI prompts that actually make money, 7 sales scripts that convert 8 out of 10 clients, and a list of 11 essential AI tools that are either free or cost less than $15 a month. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. Next week, ILL reveal how you can scale to $100,000 a year with AI without ever showing your face. Thanks for watching.